Beyond lines that divide and shades that decide, sipping chai with craftsmen on every countryside.
Stopping never to prove loyalties, empathy to abide. If there's ever a haven of love, yahi hai wo, yahi hai wo, yahi hai wo.
A thriving green cover busting through concrete, love and learning practiced on feet.
Politics and governance both fair and neat. Not fear, it runs rather on the wisdom to heed.
Nourishing food for every mouth to eat. Queer identities freed of unlawful defeat.
No military street, no stealth meet, honest speech and criticism on freedom's beat.
If there is ever a place safer to be, Illide, Illide, Illide.
Rowing on waters of progress, flowing only to elevate, not to oppress.
Awaking on the stairs of education and access, nurturing opportunity, uplifting all things less.
Running on the greens of agency, empathy, and togetherness, insisting on ethics and equity of process.
Women of strength, not idolized and stripped bare, but educated, respected, and loved with care.
Celebrated equally with men out there, at home, on streets, and in every conversing moment to spare.
Children relieved of drudgery and drill,
Honing their skill to solve problems that matter, needs that kill.
frugal innovations helping gaps to fill.
Money and means following till failures conquered by unwavering will.
Opportunity for all, abundance still. If there's ever a land happier on earth, અહીંયા જ છે, અહીંયા જ છે, અહીંયા જ છે.
No bullets, no shells, no sirens, no grenades, no nothing that makes an existence bleed.
No silence, no noise, no ignorance, no deceit, no nothing that makes a sadist feed.
No shutdowns, no curfews, no lies, no greed, no nothing that makes a people its territory.
No commands to follow without voice.
No repression to endure without rights. No nothing that plays on a fate's plea.
If there is ever more tranquility in diversity, शेटाए खाने, शेटाए खाने, शेटाए खाने, गर फिरदौस बर्रोए ज़मी अस्त, हमी अस्तो, हमी अस्तो, हमी अस्त.
If there is ever a heaven on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here.